Hey, we've crossed a new subscriber milestone. We're over 1,000 subscribers here on Daddy's Workshop of the Carolinas, so it's time for a little giveaway. Hey, this is Daddy's Workshop of the Carolinas, where we treasure things made and restored by hand. Wow, this has been quite the year. I've gone from high school history teaching to now full-time self-employment. And the main income streams are here in the shop making furniture, restoring and reselling old equipment, and then also hosting summer camps and workshops where on our property my wife and I host camps where we do home ec and shop class and games and all sorts of stuff, just really trying to help kids recover the skills of resilient living, how to use their hands in the home and in the shop. There's been lots of fun. We're going to do some around the holidays as well, and in the spring and then in the summer again. And then also I do some writing and speaking on a variety of things that are important, things that we need to recover when it comes to our lives and meaning and significance and so forth. So all those things together have been really a lot of fun, really busy, and a whole new sort of pace of life. It's a lot more time with the family and on the property, and more sort of agency over everything that I'm doing. So that's really been great. And this video is all about the fact that the channel's been growing, over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you for subscribing. And I wanted to do a little giveaway here, a Delta Rockwell catalog from the 70s. And the way you could get this is if you send in a good idea for a new video. I've been trying to broaden out the videos and make some longer videos, a little more production value as well. Appreciate your patience with the videos. I'm learning as I go. So if you've got a good idea for a video, whatever one I think is the winner, we'll get this catalog. So send me an email and we'll see what we can do. So hopefully you've had some time in your shop lately to use your hands, to make some things, to restore old equipment, and more importantly to find people to share it with and to make meaning out of the whole thing. If there's anything I can do, let me know. Peace. And here's some of the latest of what I've been up to. Recently worked on a custom wine rack made of cherry. This was a great project. 32 mortise and tenon joints, custom design, and really was happy how everything came out. The top really looked smooth with the plywood panel and the solid edging. And then in its final spot here, with another happy customer. Also recently worked on a Delta Unisaw. The Unisaw was from 1945, came out really nice. It has a lot of the original components, original miter gauge, original microset fence, and original 1 horsepower single phase repulsion induction bullet motor. And then another thing recently I had the chance to go and speak at a conference about faith, family, and culture and other important matters. It was a wonderful time, great engagement from the audience. I delivered 5 one-hour sessions about a variety of topics, and it really was awesome. So that's what's been going on here. Hope you're doing well, and let me know what I can do.